New Country 96.3 is activating the North Texas Amber Alert system. Stand by for important information.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the KEMP Police Department. The KEMP Police Department in Kaufman County has issued an Amber Alert for a missing 3-month-old baby, XYAVIER CALLISTE Jr. The baby boy is 13 weeks old, black with brown hair, brown eyes, black hair, 23 inches long, 8 pounds, last seen with the suspect. The suspect is identified as Abigail Williams, a 23-year-old black woman with brown eyes, brown hair, 5'6", weighing 150 pounds. There is currently no vehicle description. If anyone has any information, please call 911. Again, the KEMP Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a missing 3-month-old baby, XYAVIER CALLISTE Jr. The baby boy is 13 weeks old, black with brown eyes, black hair, 23 inches long, 8 pounds, last seen with the suspect. If anyone has any information, please call 911.
Last seen on January 25th, 2023 at 7 p.m. at the 300 block of Adams St. Camp, Texas. Police are looking for Abigail Williams, 23 years old, black, female, 5 feet 6 inches, 150 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes in connection with this abduction. The suspect fled in an unknown vehicle. The suspect was last seen in Camp, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the KEMP Police Department at 46937-64500. News media point of contact is KEMP Police Department at 46937-64500. News media point of contact is KEMP Police Department at 46937-64500. Central Standard Time. You're listening to All Hazards Radio.